Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download clips from your PlayStation on your iPhone. Now to do this, we want to go over to the App Store on the iPhone, and we want to go to the bottom right to search and type in PlayStation app. And get this application. It's just simply called PlayStation app. I already have it downloaded, and it looks like this from PlayStation Mobile Inc. Open this up, sign in with your email address and your password, and you'll be logged into your PlayStation account where you can see your friends list, etc. And let's go on down to the bottom. You can see all these different options here. We want to go to the fourth option called Game Library. Then at the top of the screen, let's go to Captures. Then if you have any captures recorded on your PlayStation 5, they should automatically appear here if you didn't change any of the settings on your PlayStation. So these will also delete after 14 days, and I think that's why they're not on here, because I haven't played my PlayStation in about a month. So all my captures have been deleted, but you'll be able to see them under here, and then you can watch them, and then there will be an option to download them, and then you should be able to share them from like your photo galleries or anything like that, so you can see photos on my home screen. All your downloads for PlayStation should appear under there from now on. So you just have to click the download button on it when you're under the PlayStation app, under captures right here. Just view it. There should be a download option, and you should be good to go. So it's really easy to use. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Tech.